So more advanced djembe, good on you. So, same technique. We're just going to practice for a little bit. Practice the, when you hear the recording, you can hear a if this were a drum kit, it'd be on the hi-hat. Sorry, this and we're splitting it every single beat, 1, 2, 3, 4 into 4. So it'll be 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a, try it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Split in 4. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a. It's really easy to speed up and slow down. So just do that for like 5-10 minutes with a metronome in your ear, trying to stay in time. It's good if you nod your head like this, it helps. So now with our bass, snare, bass, bass, snare, it's pretty hard to do with this going at the same time, yeah? So you're not going to do the whole thing. We definitely want to add that bass. So we'll go bass, bass, snare, bass, snare, bass, snare. With me, bass, snare. You're getting rid of a bass, bass, snare, bass, snare. Slowly. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's what it is. 1, 2 and 4. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a. Just practice with me. You're still just doing alternating hands. Da 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 da. Bass, snare, bass, snare, bass, snare, bass, snare. If you get lost, just keep going back to this and see if you can jump into the bass snare again. Bass, snare, bass, snare, bass, snare, bass, snare. Again, just keep going back to this if you lose your way, and jump in and join with me with bass snare when you can. And 4 and bass, snare, bass, snare, bass, snare, bass, snare. Boom, ka, boom, ka, boom, ka. We'll do it a few more times and then we'll get faster. Last time. Alright, let's try it fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you just go back to that if you need to. Out like that to give it an effect. That's what we call a tacit. Takes a lot of practice. You just got to do it over and over and over again. Go back to this if you need to. But our alternated bass snare is 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. You got this. Takes a lot of practice. If you can't do it, it's okay and better to play this well. It's better to play that basic rhythm better and in time than to do the more advanced rhythm badly. You don't want to do the advanced rhythm badly. You want to do the basic rhythm well and move on to the advanced one if you're up to it. Good luck.